Acorns Early Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Acorns Early is an automated investment platform designed to help parents invest for their children's future with minimal effort. It extends Acorns' core robo-advisory service, offering custodial accounts, UGMA UTMA, that let parents, grandparents, or guardians invest on behalf of a child. The idea is simple. Small, automated contributions over time can grow into a meaningful financial foundation. Acorns automatically invests your spare change, rounding up everyday purchases and allocating funds into diversified ETFs. It also offers scheduled deposits and one-time contributions for more control. The app simplifies investing, making it accessible for beginners with a hands-off approach. Now let's talk about fees. Acorns charges $5 per month for the Acorns Family Plan, which includes Acorns Early, as well as standard investment, retirement, and checking accounts. While $5 might seem low, it can be a significant percentage of small balances, making it less cost-effective for those not investing regularly. Compared to other custodial accounts with no monthly fees, like those from Fidelity or Schwab, Acorns Early might not be the cheapest option. However, its automation and ease of use appeal to parents who want a truly passive investing experience. Who is this best for? Acorns Early is ideal for parents who want a low-maintenance way to start investing for their kids without needing to research stocks or manually manage a portfolio. It's not for those who prefer picking individual investments or want full control over asset allocation. Additionally, since the funds in UGMA UTMA accounts legally belong to the child once they reach the age of majority, typically 18 or 21, depending on the state, it's important to understand that the money won't stay under parental control forever. A key drawback? Limited customization. Unlike traditional brokerage custodial accounts, Acorns doesn't let you choose specific stocks or funds. The investments are pre-selected ETFs based on your risk preference, so if you're looking for full control, this isn't for you. Also, $5 a month adds up, especially if you're investing small amounts. Final verdict? Acorns Early is a solid choice for hands-off, beginner investors who want an easy way to build long-term savings for their children. It's user-friendly, fully automated, and great for busy parents. However, if you're investing larger amounts or want more control, lower-cost alternatives like Fidelity's custodial accounts may be better. If convenience is your top priority, Acorns Early is worth considering, but be mindful of the fees.